Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. Today we're going to make simple wood blocks just in time for Valentine's Day or everyday decor. You'll need 4 square blocks, paint, letters, and Mod Podge. To make the squares, we used a 2x6 board cutting at 5.5 inches. These boards typically come in 8 feet lengths, so you can make a lot more than 4 squares. This would make a great craft night project with friends. To make the letters, we used a die cut machine borrowed from our church. Schools also typically have these. If you don't have access to a die cut machine, you could buy pre-made letters or cut them out by hand. Next, paint your wood square whatever color you like. Once that dries, sand the edges for a distressed look. Next, add a layer of Mod Podge. Then add your letter or shape. Add another layer of Mod Podge on top of that. Mod Podge is a glue and sealer. Once that dries, display. You can also add letters to the back for a double-sided display. What word would you add to your blocks? For more projects, please visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com.